Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your VPN is not working properly on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type control panel control. Open it, just to open it and view by two large icons and go to network and sharing center. Here network connection, access type, internet connection, whatever you have it. I'm using Ethernet. If you are using Wi-Fi or anything else, you just need to click on it, and after that go to properties guys. In properties you need to search for internet protocol 6, internet protocol version 6, TCP IPv4. You need to uncheck this box and click OK and close out of here. And the next step, go to search menu and type settings. Open it and go to internet and network and internet. Go to in here, go to advanced network settings. Scroll down guys, here is option network reset, and this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards, such as VPN client softwares or virtual switches. Click on reset now guys and click yes. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes and close out of here guys and go ahead and restart it. You should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.